Is your air conditioning system low on Freon? I'll show you how to check it. Super fast, super easy. This is the most common call I would get is, hey, I think my Freon is low. My house isn't getting cold. Let's go take a look. Also, these steps I'm gonna show you are gonna work whether your air conditioner looks like this one right here, or if it's a wall unit like this one right here. Okay, we're outside now. This is the heart of the air conditioning system. On this outside equipment, number one, it's gotta be turned on, right? So if you turn your thermostat to cold, this should be up and running. Give it a couple minutes. Sometimes they have a delay on them. Secondly, how can we check to see if the Freon is at the right level? Well, we have some fancy equipment that we can use. However, as a homeowner, what you can do is find these lines right here. You'll have two of these lines. Go to the thicker one called the suction line, and it should be sweating. Now, you might have insulation like this right here that's been kind of torn up. This insulation might come all the way down, so you might have to pull it back a little bit. Put a couple fingers on there. It should be icy cold. It should be wet with condensate. If it is, chances are your Freon is either at the right level or pretty close to it. It's probably not a Freon problem. The second quick way you can see if this system is up and working okay is that the air coming off this fan up here, it should be warm. It should be warmer than the ambient air, warmer than the outside air. Now let me show you the most common reason why your air conditioner is not as cold as it used to be. Now, if the outside unit is running, which we just checked, go inside and look at your filters. If your filters are clogged or starting to get dirty, this system is not gonna work as well. So for this house that I'm in right now, there's actually 3 different filters, and I'm gonna show you here how to open it up. Take a look at the old filter. Now these old filters are what we call replaceable ones, disposable ones. I strongly suggest that you throw those out and look down in the description down below. I'll put a link to these permanent ones. These permanent ones can last 20 years plus. All you do is take them in the backyard, wash them off real quick and easy, and put them back. Especially this house here. Again, it has 3 different filters like this. It's gonna be really expensive to replace these and keep buying them and buying them. Also, it's a pain in the neck. You gotta store them in the garage somewhere. Okay, what if you have a wall unit like this one right here, which in the industry we call it a mini split, but whatever. Let's call it a wall air conditioner. So same thing, a lot of people would call me up and say, hey, it's not working as well as it used to be. It must be low on Freon. Now, again, Freon is, we're supposed to call it refrigerant, but for those of us who are a little older, we used to call this Freon. Fair enough. So the Freon is low, it must be low, it's not as cold as it used to be. Almost every single time I get that call, almost every single time, it's that the filters are dirty. So let me show you how to change out the filters, or actually clean the filters on this system right here. Okay, let's turn off the power to the system, and then let's find the tabs on the side to open it up. If you look, there's a little spot to pull up your finger right here, and another one right here. Let's open it up. So when I pull on those, there's my filters, and they are filthy. Let's take them out. To take them out, we're simply gonna push up right here, and then they gently slide out like this. That is so dirty. Look at that. So this, with almost 100% for sure, this is gonna be the reason why this air conditioner is not working correctly. There you go, let's grab a towel and dry this off. This comparison, here's the one we just cleaned up, and here's our clogged filter. This filter sits on it, just kind of rolls into place. Right, up in there. Perfect. Get those little tabs. Did you see where those tabs went? So little tabs right into those spots. Perfect. Oops, nope, not perfect. Now it's perfect. Just roll right into, slow and gentle. When you work on these systems, these are things we want to, they're not fragile, but at the same time, we want to be sort of delicate with them when we can. There we go, icy cold air coming out already. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.